basic Japanese sentence structure with 行く to go. Let's say your company is organizing a barbecue. You can ask your coworker, 行く? Are you going? Level 2. You can add barbecue and say, バーベキュー行く? Are you going to the barbecue? Level 3. You can add the word 明日 tomorrow and say 明日バーベキュー行く? Are you going to the barbecue tomorrow? Level 4. So, how are you going to answer that question? Well, you can repeat the same verb 行く and say 行く I'm going. But if you're not going, you can use the negative form 行かない and say 行かない I'm not going. So when your colleague asks you 明日バーベキュー行く? You can answer 行く I'm going or 行かない I'm not going. Level 5. So instead of talking to your colleague, let's say you are talking to your boss with ominous eyes. Now you might want to use this and must because that's how you typically talk to people who are older than you or your bosses. And since you're using 行く, you will change this to 行きます and say 明日バーベキュー行きます? Are you going to the barbecue tomorrow? Level 6. Now, if you're using des or masu and asking a question, you can add an optional ka and say ますか or ですか? So this sentence is going to be 明日バーベキュー行きますか? Are you going to the barbecue tomorrow? Level 7. Now, how are you going to answer that question? Well, if you want to use des or masu, you can say 行きます I'm going, or you can use the negative form of masu, which is masen, and say 行きません I'm not going. But your boss doesn't always have to use des or mas. She can actually just speak plain Japanese and simply say 行く I'm going or 行かない I'm not going. And there's no strict rule, it's really just up to the individual. But if she wants to use des or mas, the conversation is gonna be 明日バーベキュー行きますか? Are you gonna go to the barbecue tomorrow? 行きます I'm going. Or 行きません I'm not going. Now, if you're learning Japanese from typical resources like textbooks and apps, you might expect a particle after barbecue. But in this context, not using any particle is actually the neutral way. I've made a detailed video about zero particles, so you might want to check it out. Or if you want to learn Japanese with me, I'll help you acquire natural, native-like Japanese from day one, using natural but easy and properly contextualized examples, exactly the way native speakers speak Japanese. So click on the link in the description or on the screen and subscribe to my email group, Japanese with Yuta.